What's up? So today is the start of episode 4.
Dummy.
So today, my game plan is to do a little head detailing. In the last couple videos, I've covered detailing skin and neck and some of the tools. So today, we're gonna get down to it. Here we go. With no further ado, it's time to start putting some Sharpie marks on a dinosaur. Now, because I have no real, representation of what a Tyrannosaurus Rex head looked like, I'm just gonna go ahead and wing it. Try and make this look as realistic as possible with the references that I have, and your interpretation may be different. That said, I'd love to hear it, and I know this T-Rex could have feathers for all I know. You can go and look at scientific records of what people have found and other paleo artists have created, but it ranges from reptilian style scales, which I have here, all the way through feathered throughout, like Gary Staub has in Staub Studios. His YouTube channel is pretty amazing, and just look at a full-size feathered dinosaur. It's amazing. Science will probably prove me wrong, but the reality is I'm going to stick with my gut and go with what feels right to me. And that's half the fun of actually creating a piece like this. So stick with it and create your vision. Ooh, look at that fancy lens flare right there. Thanks, it's my J.J. Abrams moment. It's time to try out a new tool. Well, new old tool for me. This is a little Craftsman angle corner sander. So what I'm gonna do is see how long it lasts and see how it wants to do in these tight corners where the skin detailing is pretty thick. So we're gonna give it a go. And honestly, this thing rocks. I mean, I only got probably 15 minutes of actual battery life out of it, but it's a tiny little battery. And for what it is, it's doing a beautiful job of sanding the foam. So, for what it's worth.
Welcome to 5 o'clock in the morning.
What's up? Baby was up. You met Keston. She's the sweetest little thing. So sleep regression is a thing. So I'm up. It's 5 o'clock and I'm just gonna hammer away.
Nobody knew who I was till I put on the mask.
As you can see, I've been working on much finer little detailed scale patterns than what I did originally, which I'll show here. The larger scale patterns on the lower jaw were just, pretty easy to do. And now I'm actually just kind of doing freehand like a human CNC machine. It's given a really nice depth, and I'm liking how it's turning out. So we're gonna stick with it, and I'm gonna blend the top of the head with some of the lower jaw and then into the neck as well. So it'll have a nice look overall. So yeah, now it's off to my real work.